As part of Juniper's software-defined secure network strategy, the Security Director Policy Enforcer is a core component. In this demonstration, the enforcer will create and apply a policy to a Layer 2 switch port to contain an attack on the network. The topology as shown is a secure network, including an SRX series firewall, aggregation and access switches, and Sky Advanced Threat Prevention, aka Sky ATP, that provides external threat feeds. To begin, we will focus on a client connected to a Layer 2 access switch. The client can successfully connect laterally to a web server on the same network, as well as externally to the internet. Now we will walk through the setup steps for the policy enforcer using the wizard. We register the policy enforcer with Sky ATP. Then we apply a default policy called Infected Host Profile. In this example, this will isolate or block the client from the network. Returning to the client, we will now download an infected file from the internet. Sky ATP will detect, and SDSN moves into action. The policy enforcer identifies both the IP address and MAC address of each device. At this point, the client is isolated and unable to browse the internet, or the web server on the same network. Checking back in on the switch, we see the blocking filter has been added to the access port. Even if the device reconnects to the network on a different switch, which we show here, EX3300-2, the policy enforcer will be able to track its whereabouts and continue to block it. This is the advantage of Juniper's SDSN, securing your network inside and out.